I filmed this look. It's, I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to get it closer, but it's like a kind of glittery, I don't know, glittery look. I've just done like glitter. It kind of reminds me of like clown, a kind of like slightest bit like a clown makeup, like if you did like lines through the eyes, but because I've just done a bit of glitter on the top and then a little bit of glitter on the bottom and it like corresponds. I created this once and I got lots of compliments when I wore it out, so now I did a video of it. I hope you guys enjoy this look. A little different. I think it's so pretty. I don't know what your thoughts are, but I love it. The lip color I'm like iffy on. I can never find the perfect nude, so I feel like if I had the perfect nude I'd wear it. So if you guys do want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So first up, I'm going with my brows and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in medium brown. Then my Mecca Max Brow Artist brush, I'm just using the spoolie to brush up the hairs. Now my Zoeva Wing Liner brush, I will be filling in my brows as per usual, starting at the tail, putting most of the product there and then just using the leftover product in the front of the brow. I extend my brow a little bit too, just to make them a little longer than they are. And now we're going to conceal under the brows using the Billion Dollar Brows Smudge Brush and my Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'll just be highlighting the concealer under the brows and just really making them pop and cleaning up any edges so it's nice and sharp. Now for primer, I'm going to go with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I'll just rub this all around my face and prep the face for the foundation. So now going with my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation in number 38 Beige Deep and using my Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush, I'll start dotting the foundation around my face and then I'll blend it all out. This foundation is so nice because it's like a really full coverage matte foundation. A little goes a long way and I normally find I do apply a bit too much, as I have here. I've just gone in a little bit too ham with it, but it's alright, it blends out pretty nice. Blend a bit over my eyelids to make them the same colour. Now for concealer, I'm going with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. I'll just be highlighting underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and chin, and a little bit of my Cupid's bow. And I'll use my Beauty Blender to blend them all out. Now I'm going to bake that concealer using my RMCA No Colour Powder. I'll just press it on top of the concealer and then we'll wipe that away later. Alright, to set the face, I'm going in with the Hyaluronic Hydra. I can never pronounce this. The Beige Deep Hyaluronic Hydra powder. Now I'm going to bronze up my face a bit using the MAC Gimme Sun bronzer and my Zoeva Luxe Cheek Finish brush. These are my go-to faves. So I'm going to bronze up the forehead a little bit too. I've always liked a nice bronzed forehead. Then I'm going to contour, and I'm using the Makeup Geek contour shades in the shade Fair Cool and Fair Warm, and my Carity F21 contour brush. And I'm contouring my nose with a big brush. I know I should use a small one. Right, now I'm just going to wipe away the baking, and we're placing the leftovers a bit underneath the contour to just clean it up a little bit. Okay, now to highlight, I'm going in with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish and going with the Morphe M501 brush. I'm going to spritz it with a bit of Fix Plus first so it just picks up a lot more pigment, and then applying that onto my cheekbones. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Smashbox Cover Shot Ablaze eyeshadow palette. So using the shades Nirvana and Throwback, and my MAC 224 blending brush, I will just blend them all over my lid and in the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to pack the pigment on a little bit more, and I'm going to go in with my Zoeva Luxe Classic Shader brush. Then I'm going to pack that on the outer corner and then blend it back out with the MAC brush. Unfortunately, my camera stopped filming for a little bit in here, so it missed that section, but I just kept building up the pigment, and I'm going in with the same brush and blending the same two colors on my lower lash line. Now for the fun part, I'm going in with the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Gold Goddess, and I'm going to apply that as kind of like we're doing a bit of a spotlight eye right in that center part of the eye, like the middle of your lid, if that makes sense. I'm so bad at explaining. So I just kind of kept building up the pigment until I got it as pigmented as I wanted it, and I blended it with my finger a bit because I found it just diffused the edges a little more than having it straight from the applicator. Now I'm going to apply it so it lines up on the lower lash line, so just a little bit under there. So now I'm going in with another Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and this one's in the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm going to be putting this on my inner corner. I always go to this one for inner corner highlights. So now for mascara, I'm going with my MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. I'm going to put that on my lower lashes, and then I'm going to apply my false lashes off camera, and then I'm going to set the face using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now for lipstick, I'm using the Bareminerals liquid lipstick in the shade Homme, and I'm just going to put that all over my lips. Then I was finding this shade was like a little bit too like kind of orangey undertoned, so then I'm going in with the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Bombshell. These are just the mini ones I bought, and that one's like a bit more pinky nude, so I put that in the center, and it just, I don't know, it kind of evened out the tones a little bit more. And bravo! That is the end of this tutorial. This is a little close-up, you guys can see. So that brings me to the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and like if you maybe created or something. I know it's a little different. I was just mucking around with makeup one day and I did it. I don't know if someone's already created this look before, but I hadn't seen photos of it and did it, and I love it. So if you guys did enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more from me. And hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!